Right now on YouTube, some of the most viral videos are literally just stick figures. Yes, simple Stickman drawings. But here's the crazy part. Some of these videos get millions of views and the creators behind them make thousands of dollars every month. And the reason is very simple. These videos are fun, they are easy to watch, and they keep people watching till the very end. Channels like Backbench Animations have grown to hundreds of thousands of subscribers, and many of these videos have millions of views. Then there is a bigger channel like Rico Animations with millions of subscribers and billions of views. We're talking billions. That level of attention can generate serious income, and the best part, not many creators are doing this just yet, which means there is still a big opportunity to start now and grow. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create Stickman videos using just AI for free. Actually, let's get started. If you're finding this video very helpful, kindly leave us a like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Subscribing does not cost anything. It really doesn't cost anything. So guys, please give us a like, give us a subscribe. Peace. Step 1. Generate the idea and the script. The first step is deciding what your video will be about. For Stickman videos, some topics work extremely well. Things like motivational stories, life lessons, psychology, deep thinking, philosophical ideas, or harsh truths about life. If you don't have an idea, you can simply ask ChatGPT to generate some topics. Once you choose your topic, you can ask ChatGPT to generate the full script for the video. This includes the narration, the scenes, and the prompt for the images you will generate later. Once the script is ready, you now have the foundation of your entire video. So guys, for the topics and idea generation, all you have to do to go ahead and copy this prompt. All the prompts that I use will be provided in the description box, so that you guys can just copy and paste. Go ahead and copy this right here, this particular aspect. Create. Then you are going to choose any of the topics below. There are topics I've researched them and know the ones that are actually going viral. So you just come here and copy any of them and paste it. You can either paste it in your DeepSeek, your ChatGPT, or your Claude. So I paste it in my ChatGPT. Inside the brackets, inside those brackets, go ahead and copy any of these ideas, abstract, absurdist, or dark humor. Insert it inside the curly brackets, and then you just wait for it to generate. The next thing you're going to do is to come up here and copy this main prompt, the actual main prompt that will provide all of the things that we need. Guys, you don't need to worry, I'll already provide all these things for you guys, so you just go and copy and paste and direct. So I come here and copy all of this, okay? Then come ChatGPT again and paste it. Now in the curly bracket up there, you're going to see X seconds, like the seconds. That's where you're gonna put. You can just put anything. But for me, I'll be putting 40 seconds. I'll be putting around 40 seconds. And then for the topic, I'll just come here and choose a man in the funeral. That's one. I'll just come here, paste that. After that, I'll click enter so we can get the images and the narrations, the actions, and everything. This second major prompt contains most of the things you need. All you have to do is just copy, paste, and then you get your scenes, the action. If you're finding this video very helpful, kindly leave us a like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Subscribing does not cost anything. It really doesn't cost anything. So guys, please give us a like, give us a subscribe. Now we move to the next step. Step 2. Creating the Stickman images. Now that we have the script, the next step is creating the visual scenes. For this, we will generate our Stickman images using Nano Banana. But there is one important thing that helps keep the style consistent. We will use a reference image. I have placed the reference image I use in the description below, so you can download it and use the exact same style. Once you download the reference image, then upload the reference image. After that, go back to your script and copy the image prompt for the first scene. Paste it into the prompt box. Make sure your aspect ratio is set to 9:16 since we are creating a vertical video. But I'll teach you a simple trick to actually do this that works every time, so you don't have to be getting a different aspect ratio and wasting your free credits or free generations rather. Then click generate. After a few seconds, Nano Banana will generate your first Stickman scene. If it looks good, download it. Then repeat this exact same process for the rest of the scenes in your script. By the end of this step, you should have all the images for your entire video. Now we turn those images into animations. So guys, these are two tricks you shouldn't forget to use while working on the free tier in Nano Banana. First, do not forget the reference image. 2, remember to always use this set of this specific or specified set of prompts in the beginning and at the end of each prompt or each generation. These are very necessary to avoid unnecessary regeneration and wastage. It's not like you cannot get perfect images at once. You can. Sometimes when we are trying to maximize the free generations that Nano Banana gives us per day, so you want to make sure that these things are in place. Thank you. Step 3, turning the images into animations. Now we are going to animate the images using Kling AI. Now the reason we are doing this, the reason we are using Kling AI directly is because of the free 66 credit they are going to give us when we log in for the first time. Okay, that's why we are using it. So we want to maximize on that. Now we are going to animate the images using Kling AI. This is what makes the Stickman scenes feel alive instead of just static pictures. Upload your first image into Kling, then copy the video prompt for that scene from your script and paste it into Kling. Set your video to vertical format, HD resolution, and around 4 to 5 seconds duration to minimize the free credits. Then click generate. In just a moment, Kling will animate the image and turn it into a short video clip. Download the clip once it's ready. Then repeat the same process for every scene in your script. By the time you are done, you will have multiple short animated clips ready to build your video. Now we add the voice. Step 4, generating the voice over. If you're finding this video very helpful, kindly leave us a like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Subscribing does not cost anything. It really doesn't cost anything. So guys, please give us a like, give us a subscribe. Peace. Now it's time to add a voiceover. This is what gives your video life and makes the story easier for viewers to follow. Even if your visuals are great, a video can still feel flat without a clear and natural voice guiding the viewers. So for this step, we are going to be using 11 Labs. 11 Labs is actually easier than you thought. The first thing we're going to do is to log in with our account. If you don't have an account, you have to create a new account. After that, you click on text to speech. Then your voice menu opens up. Then after that, you move on to copying your scripts, the scenes, the narrations. Then you come and paste it back. You go on to copy the next narration from ChatGPT and then you come and paste it again in 11 Labs. You are going to repeat this process till you get to the end of the script or the end of the narration for all scenes. After that, the next step is to click on the generate button. Then listen to it.
So imagine showing up to your own funeral, and everyone is already crying, except you. You walk in like, hey guys, small correction, I'm actually still alive. But instead of relief, the funeral director just sighs like you ruined the schedule. Apparently the flowers are paid for, the coffin is rented, and the crying already started. So the director clears his throat and says, sorry sir, but you're disrupting the funeral. And that's the story of the only man who got fired from his own funeral.
All you have to do now is to click on the download button, and that's all for this step. If you're finding this video very helpful, kindly leave us a like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Subscribing does not cost anything. It really doesn't cost anything. So guys, please give us a like, give us a subscribe. Peace. Step 5, editing the final video. Now open your video editor. You can use CapCut. Very beginner friendly. Start by importing your voice over audio. Then add each of your animated clips in the correct order. Match the scenes with the part of the narration that explains them. Take your time here. Good pacing is what keeps viewers watching till the end. You can also add a few extra things like simple captions, like transitions between scenes, and soft background music. Just make sure the music's low so it doesn't overpower your voice. Once everything flows smoothly, export the video in high resolution.
So imagine showing up to your own funeral, and everyone is already crying, except you. You walk in like, hey guys, small correction, I'm actually still alive. But instead of relief, the funeral director just sighs like you ruined the schedule. Apparently the flowers are paid for, the coffin is rented, and the crying already started. So the director clears his throat and says, sorry sir, but you're disrupting the funeral. And that's the story of the only man who got fired from his own funeral.
So guys, that's pretty much everything you need to know when creating your own viral Stickman videos. I offer one-on-one tutoring. My WhatsApp number and email will be somewhere across the screen or in the description box below. So make sure you guys check that out. And yeah, the links to the documents and the reference images will be in the description box as well. I just hope by the time I'm making this video, YouTube would have approved my selfie video I took, so I can add external links. Anyway, see you guys in the next video. The next video will be trying out some very interesting 3D videos. And yeah, see you guys. Peace. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, share, and yeah, peace out.